Southwestern Alexander County in the Piedmont of North Carolina. Southeastern Caldwell County in western North Carolina until 1:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:16 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Between 2 and 4 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing and begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Intact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Affected streams include Gunpowder Creek, Rock Creek, Isaac Creek, and other tributaries of the Catawba River. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Lenore, Sawmills, Granite Falls, Bethlehem, Hudson, Cages Mountain, Rhodus, Lake Hickory, Lake Rhodus, North Lakes, and Little River in Alexander County. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. When it is safe to do so, please report flooding or landslides threatening roads or property to the National Weather Service Greenville Spartanburg by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 by posting on our Facebook page or via X using hashtag NWSTSP. Your message should describe a specific location where impacts occurred and the depth of flooding observed.